Okay, so I'm just here to walk you through the setup for the PE361 or 361 PE cutter. It's very similar to the H model that we have, but it's just a lot smaller, as you can see. Right, so when you unbox it, turn it on, and you should get speed and force displaying here. So if you wanted to change those, if you go press setup twice, and then it's the up and down arrow keys for the speed, and the left and right for the pressure. Okay. And if we just go back to just reset, and we'll go back to the speed and force. Right, so if you wanted to set it up so you've got your vinyl in and you just wanted to see how it's going to perform, we've just got the pen in just so you can see it clear. So if you press option and then using the keys, you can position the vinyl and see it feeding through now. So put it where you want and then press origin in the bottom right, and just to test it out to see how it's working, you can just press move right at the bottom and it'll either cut or plot. Sort of test square. I'll just zoom in. You can see that's the one that I've just done. Right. So put it back into position. Just leave it there. Right. So you should have got with your cutter in the smaller box which comes with it. You should have got a small disc like this. So this has got the drivers for the Windows model. Just bring you over to the PC. Right, so once you pop it in, you might not have it automatically open like this, but what you want to go and do is, we're just doing like sort of a basic Windows setup. If you're using a Mac, we recommend you use the adapter for the serial cable, the FTDI adapter. So, but for Windows, go for the USB Windows drivers, and then you just click this one here, and it should open up like an install wizard. And it's pretty much, you just keep on clicking next until it gets installed. It's not likely that Windows will find these drivers when you first put it in. Right. So we're just doing like a quick setup with Signcut. So if I open up Signcut here, and then you can see we've got a little design sort of at the bottom. But if we go up to the top and select cutter, now I'll just zoom in just so you can see a bit better. Right, so the PE model is not actually with our registration code at the moment with Signcut because it's quite a new machine, so it's still waiting to sort of be added to this list. But this list includes all the cutters that we ourselves provide. So, but if you choose the Refine MHEH, and then you just go for the 721, and also, so after you've installed the drivers, you should see it appear in Device Manager under ports as USB serial CH340, and then a COM number. So we'll just put that COM number into the output device there, and it's important. The baud rate will most likely be 9600 if you just leave it as default, but just in case, that's what you need to set it to. And because we're using the pen, we just have the knife offset or blade offset. We'll just set that to 0. Okay, so the other thing that you might want to change, because with the PE model it's a bit smaller, So the actual cutter size, which it usually brings up for the 721, which is what you've got it selected as, will be a bit too large. So if you just change this to, if we change it to millimetres, you'll see it says 361, which is the size of the cutter. So I'll just change it back. Right, so now you've got it all set up, we'll just click on these scissors here and we'll get it to send the cutter sign cut there. So I'll just move it back. Okay, so if I feed these through, you can see it's plotted that. Now I'll just go back over to sign cut settings. You can see that it went sort of up the length of the vinyl in sign cut. If you want it to go sort of the width of the vinyl, simply all you do is click on this arrow with 90 sort of in the centre there. I've just got selected at the moment, just try and get it in focus. Click this and then you can see it will jump like that. So when you send the cut now, it will send across the vinyl instead of going sort of up it. And that's how you do the basic sort of setup for the PE model.